Now we'll work with our balcony. So you can see here, they have a ceiling here, okay, a ceiling available here, and also you can see a small boundary is here, and here a small boundary, and there have some glasses. So what we'll do, I'll just go here. Now from that position above 7 feet height, we'll create our that false slab. Okay? We'll create our that false slab. So how we'll do it, we'll to create false slab, I'll just go floor, then architectural floor, okay, architectural floor, and everything will be okay. I'll just give it the our offset height will be 7 feet, okay, and everything will be okay. Without that, I'll just click rectangle, simply click on that point and till that point, take that point as a reference. It's done. Okay, it's done, and a slab will be created above 7 feet height at ground floor. I'll just click apply, escape, just see it's have been created. Now we'll now we'll modify that. So to modify that, I'll just go to front view, okay, and I'll select that one. I can click move, and from that point I'll move it here. Just see, it's done. It's okay. So it's done. And if we click here, you can see the you can now see the total height. So it's what you can do, that we can take 6 feet and 3 by 4 inch. Okay, it's done. So this is the way to do it. Now what we'll do, simply select that one, and it will be also selected here. And I will just, if I go to our from floor, if we go to our first floor, you see only this one are visible here. It's not visible. So what I can do, that to see our to see another things, and in our first floor it's visible. As it is visible, I'll just go here, underline here, underline, and the range will be, so baseline, so from where we'll see, so see ground floor level, and look up or down, look up. You see here, you can see the slab area, okay, and also in top range, okay. So if you want to see in top range, where you will see, suppose I will see in ground floor, it's okay. If you see in ground floor, it's okay. It's done. Now I'll select here, I'll click here, and I'll take a mirror. Click here, just simply click on that all. A mirror will be created here, and just simply skip. See, it's done. So we have done everything actually perfectly for our that work. Now I will create a approach here. So to do that, I'll go for all, architectural all. It will be 6 inch all, it's no problem. So our all will be exterior, with respect to exterior face, we'll create our all, and line location, everything is okay. Base constant, it's also okay. Unconnected, we'll provide unconnected, and from our ground floor, I'll take it for that side all, I'll take it for 2 feet, okay, and I'll just from, sorry, from that point to that point. I'll escape. Just see here we have created a wall for 2 feet. So if I just click here, I can take it for 3 feet. See, but I'll take it for 2 feet. It's done. And from that point to that point, I'll take another wall for 2 feet. From that point to that point, I'll take a wall and I'll just click here and I'll take it for 1 feet. See, it's done. Okay, and it's same as our that line. Now I'll provide here a railing. So to do it, I'll just go here railing and escape path. Okay, go for railing, and they have many types of railing: glass panel, bottom, handrail, pipe, and also you can load it as per your requirement. Okay, if you just click here, and they have many types of railing system. So what I'll do, I'll just go here for glass panel. Okay, and simply first create a panel here. And see here a glass panel have been created. And if we just go here, just see there have also a glass panel. So I'll just click here, and this is the length. Now I'll just go for modify, and before modify, what I'll do, I'll go for a replicate. Okay, and height will be 1 feet. Height will be 1 feet, then apply, then okay, and then okay, we have done a mistake. Control Z, select and delete. We have to take offset for 1 feet because here we have provided 1 feet wall. I've just forgotten that. Sorry, we're in 3D. We have to come in our floor plan, then come with our escape path, and here base offset will be 1 feet. Okay, base offset will be 1 feet from ground floor. So offset from path. So offset from path means from that point. I mean, if we start creating from here, then where we want in our middle position, simply I'll take here one and I'll take it. Simply press OK. Now see, it's in perfect position. So now I'll click here and I'll just go for modify. From modify, what we can do, we can go use rail, then click apply. Again, I'll delete it. I'll just go for escape path rail, and we have created a rail for this is the handrail for bomb. That on, I'll just go here and I'll take a duplicate of it, copy, and this is the rail height 2 feet and 4 inch. I'll just click here, and from here I will change your height. So or we'll change our rail height. So we'll change it later. First of all, I will draw it. Duplicate, OK, and then press OK, and let's draw it. Then OK. So here our rail is okay. Now by clicking here, I'll just go for modify. If you click here to use top rail and then click apply, just see a top rail will be available here. Okay, and it's will provide our top rail, because if we provide our top rail, it will be, I mean, its visualization will be very good. And they have some option then which types of top rail you want to use here. It's totally up to you. There's then which types of things you want to use, and if you want to use fillet, then please apply, then okay, then apply, then press ok, and see it will change, also changed. Now again I'll just go for modify, and the most important thing here how we want to use our that height. So we want to change our that height. Okay, this is the main concern here actually. So first of all, I'll just go here for our rail height, just click edit. This is 2 feet 8 inch. I'll go cancel, and if I go here again, so they have some values also. Okay, so I'll not change anything here first. I will just, sorry, now we'll change it as per requirement. So our top rail will be in the in that level. So consider our top rail will be in 1 feet, at the height of 1 feet. So we'll total will provide total 3 feet height, and this portion are also already in 1 feet. Okay, so here I will provide a 2 feet height. So for that I will provide it for 2 feet. Press apply. So see, this is are in the position of 2 feet. Now again I'll just go edit, and I'll change it so that one will be as it is in 2 feet. So I'll provide this in 1 feet, and suppose 1 feet. 1 feet 6 inch, or okay, 1 feet 6 inch, and that one will be in 1 feet 9 inch. See what happened? Apply, okay, then apply. This is below that line, below that line. It's okay. Okay, so we have to remember that our the above on are in 9 inch, and the below on are in 1 feet 6 inch. So when it's done, I will just click apply. I'll click OK. Again, I'll just go here, edit. I'll take a duplicate of rail 3 for that portion. I'll click OK. I'll click OK. For 3, I'll just provide a base height will be now in 2 feet above 2 feet. Here, sorry, I'm really sorry, skipped, and we'll go for sketch path. We'll go for 3, and from that portion here to here, then done. So again I'll click here, and our offset, base offset will be 2 feet. So it's done, and I'll go for edit, and our total rail height will be in 1 feet, right? 1 feet, and I'll just go here, edit, and that one will be 0.6, and that will be 0.9. Apply, okay, apply. So I have to select that one. Select that one. I'll change that with fillet 2, because when we have changed, actually this one have been changed in 3, so I'll delete that one again, and I'll just go here for sketch path, close, click here, go for sketch path, and I'll take for 2. Our base height will be 2 feet. Now that point, I'll just go here, and from here just go here. When it's done, just click apply. You see, it's now here. Again, select it and go for modify. Our base height is okay. Our top height will be 1 feet. I'll just go here, or it will be 0 feet 6 inch. That will be 0 feet 9 inch. See, this portion are now in same plane, right? They're in same position also, and maybe they have some miscommunication. Or you can do that, we can go for modify, and go for aligned. We'll align that portion with that portion, also that portion with that. Better go for edit sketch path, a little bit, move it here and see what happened. Maybe they're in same position now. You see here, look like they have no problem. It's done. So when it's done with that side, now we'll go for that side. In that side, it will be very easy. So for that side, again, I'll just go for architect, and I'll go for railing, sketch path, and I'll take another copy of, suppose let's copy of 3, and edit, go replicate for 4, and I'll go okay. Delete center, press apply. I'll click here, provide our offset height, or it should be 0, apply, and that side it should be from 0. Now again, I'll go for edit, and our total height will be 3 feet. Okay, let's see, its position are in same, and also here we have to change. That one will be 2 feet 6 inch, and that one will be 2 feet 9 inch. Apply, okay, apply. See, it's done. We've done it perfectly, right? So they have no issue here. We have done it perfectly. So that was the way, and this is the way to do your work actually perfectly. And if you need to change it anything, any more or any way, you can do it, no problem. So what I'll do, I'll just click here, I'll select that one. First of all, I'll select that one. By pressing Ctrl, I'll select that one and that one, and then I'll just go for mirror. I'll go for mirror with axis. See, it's done. Okay, our all have moved, but we need to also we need to move our that. Copy by pressing Ctrl, copy that wall, pressing Ctrl, copy that wall also, and go for mirror, and by clicking here, just mirror it. Done. So this was the way to draw our balcony perfectly, and I hope you have learned how we can draw, how we can modify our railing also as per our requirement if needed actually. And if this is not read, I mean, if this portion is not required for you, then you can go for different types of model, and when we'll go for our another model, then maybe you will learn more about that. So thank you very much.